late night run to, where are we going?
7-Eleven.
We're going to 7-Eleven. We got our little with us. We were just cracking up because we were like, yo, gone is the day where we could just hop in our car and not have to worry. We're like, oh, get the baby seat, get the stroller, grab the wipes, just to go to the freaking store. It's crazy. I'm joking about the last bit, but like, we legit have a full kid. Me and David crack up all this. David and I crack up all the time about it because we're like, what? How did we get here? Wait, you're going to 7-Eleven. Okay. David's like, I kind of want ginger ale. And now I'm in the kitchen. I'm like, let's go.
Mind you, we don't drink soda at all.
That's why we're doing
Very
this.
Rare.
Just wanted to check in. Vlogmas day, I'm not even sure. So this is super the morning, top early of the morning. Inserted footage for you.
Our old asses are feeling in the morning.
Definitely. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day.
Welcome to Vlogmas day.
I lose count after a while, and we know this. I don't even know how many years we've been doing this now. What, 5 years, 6 years maybe? 7 years?
2000.
We've been doing this a long time. So just welcome back to Vlogmas day, maybe like 8, 9, 10, who knows. We came to IKEA. I wanted to get a couple things. I know I need some wrapping paper, and they have good wrapping paper, or at least they had good wrapping paper options. I've had their wrapping paper for the past like 3 Christmases maybe.
Oh yeah, you have.
And we finally ran out. Yeah.
I didn't realize that, but yeah. You say that.
They lasted a long time. So I'm gonna grab some here. Hopefully they have prints that I like and that is continuing with our theme. And then I wanted to pick up. I actually filled my cart on IKEA, so we'll look back at that.
We need like a storage for the.
Oh yes.
Just to organize the garage a little more.
Yeah, we need a few more bins for Denver's clothes. Because he's growing out of his, I mean, he's almost 3, so it makes sense why his 2 T's are a little small, but I want to get bins for that. I would donate the clothes, but if we're gonna have another kid, a lot of his stuff is gender neutral, so I don't want to waste in that. So I'd rather spend $5 to save a couple $100. So we need that. Had a few other things in the cart that I was like, ooh, I need that.
IKEA. We're just gonna buy.
You need everything.
Random things.
So, yeah. And on the way down here, we were listening to Dave Ramsey. We're just hyping each other up. We're being very fiscally responsible. That's our thing. We are focused for 2021. We were just trying to, like, while we were driving, we were talking over our options, going into the new year, like how much we need to save. When do we start looking for a home? All that stuff. If you guys are in any type of debt, or you're looking towards the future of having to save and wanting to save for a property, Dave Ramsey is the man. Like, get on it. That's the one thing I can tell you. It's just under the podcasts.
Just insert it here.
Oh yeah, I could pop up a.
Right there.
Or is it on this side? No, I think it's to the left. Oh no! Well, if I enter a card, I could put his. Yeah, if you do it to the left, you enter a card, I can put up a Dave Ramsey card in there. I'll find a video of his. But if you haven't heard of him, a lot of people say he's radical. But I'm like, sometimes you have to be.
The thing is, he's real, which makes him radical. A lot of times, just look at social media. Everything wants to be, it has to be perfect, and it has to. But realistically, that's not how life goes.
No.
You know what I mean? So with him, he takes the money you make, the debt you have. There's no fluff about it. You have this much money you make. He gives it to you. This is how much debt you have.
Rice and beans, beans and rice.
And then there's another option of what else you want. And he puts things into realistic perspective. And we all need that. And that's what we're supposed to have each other for. Right. Friends for.
Can't keep yes men in your circle. You need a Dave Ramsey. Yeah. Okay? So we were just talking about that. And we're going to stay within our budget. Man, I need to update, maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Update the room. I know I left you guys hanging on a cliffhanger in that last video, how we DIY'd our bedroom for less than $300. We were definitely less than $300.
For sure.
Oh, I wanted to get a couple more pillows. Just the big square pillows. Yeah, the big yeah.
Like a decorative one?
I just bought how many pillows?
I sleep with one pillow, so.
I know, so do I.
Some more decorative pillows?
We'll see what I find. So we're about to get out. Denver's taking a nap though. So.
He's been asleep for about an hour.
An hour? No.
It's been close.
All right, well, let's get out and let's see what we can find. So I just found the wrapping paper here. This is one of the reasons why we came. I'm kind of liking this one, but I don't know if they have it. I don't see it. I kind of like the silver. And I like the gold. So let me look and see. Just wave. And I'm keeping it. We just finished at the store.
It is my grandpa's name.
Got the meal. It's the vegan meatballs, rice, and then this like tomato chutney and green beans. So we just used a little bit of the salt that comes in like the packet on the green beans because it literally had nothing on it. But everything else is so good.
It's really good.
I mean, and we're eating this cold because we got it right when we got to the store. But you can't sit down. So yeah. So we're gonna eat this really quick. We didn't even spend $50 while we were there. We got some things for this guy for Christmas. Just like a reload on his
it's
craft paper.
It's something like that.
Oh. His crafting paper, so.
What the heck is going on with the ice cream?
I love him. But we're gonna eat and we'll show you the next place that we go. Parent. The life of a parent, huh? Look at my baby. Look at my babies. Guys, so on our route home, we saw that they're having like this carnival or festival, something like that going on the way home. So we're at Angel Stadium right now in Anaheim, and David's like, let's just check. So we come this way and they gave us a map to what's going on, but nothing's vegan. Probably the only thing that's vegan here is the kettle corn. It says Winter Wonderland. Can't even really see it. It's kind of cool to see how creative everybody's trying to get as much as you can with what's going on. It's just so unfortunate, but they're trying to make everything seem a little better.
Look at the lights, baby. Wow. Do you see it? Do you see it, Dana? You want to set them all up?
So like I was saying, this is the map for everything. They're saying if you don't want to eat or grab food from like certain ones, take the far lane over. But we're kind of just going slow so Denver can see and think he's enjoying everything. So we're literally like creeping, as you can see.
Sorry, Rudolph.
Spider-Man.
Wow, then Hulk, Iron Man. Favorite up there.
Uh-oh, baby, you better turn it.
Trying to make sure my son gets as close as he wants to get.
That.
Okay.
Who's that?
That's the rock guy. Those are the Incredibles. Not the Incredibles. Fantastic Four. Candy canes. The horses are going round and round. Yeah, you see them? Stuffed animals?
Animals.
Yeah.
What animals you talking?
Oh, look it. Wave to him.
Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
I need you to say hi to my son. I need you to say hi to my son. Hi, Santa.
He's not going to.
Waiting on the TJ Maxx line. I was able to get my hands on some allergy medicine, so I'm halfway okay. So the allergy medicine mixed with the THRU coffee. Did I even tell you that we had? Oh my gosh, it was so good. It's kind of evening me out, but I'm like still a little itchy. So
I got
an upper and a downer at the same time. So I'm like, but we made it. We're here at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna see what we can find. I want to see if I can find some stuff to fully do my hair, a fully curly girl routine. We'll see what we'll find. If you want to see that, stay tuned to this one or maybe next one. We'll see if I can find something. Denver's asleep. David's holding him. Seems as though one came out. One could go in. So much here. I'm trying to get all the way back there, but I'm like hitting everything off. So we might just deal with what I have. Okay, so what I'm finding is there's a bunch of products, right? But nothing all from the same company in the same line. So I grabbed what I could. I'm gonna sort through right now and we'll get a whole hopefully curly girl routine from things that I found from TJ Maxx. So I'll be back. Tinky man, he's sleeping. Is he snoring? Is he faking?
Mm-hmm.
It's so pretty.
So pretty.
Oh my gosh, okay, so we're done in the store. It's pretty successful. I was trying to speed read through a lot of the products. I know certain key things that make things not vegan, so a lot of those I just put back. I am doing my best to do all cruelty-free and vegan hair stuff, so I believe everything I have that I picked up right now was absolutely vegan. So we're gonna see tomorrow how we did. So thank you guys so much for watching. If I don't get home and do a haul, it will be in tomorrow's video so you can see it, and then we'll probably wash and do all that stuff tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for watching.